How to stream your Zoom meeting on Facebook? Well, it's pretty simple. First, just open up Zoom and go into the meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, you need to open OBS. Once you open OBS, make sure you set up display capture here. For that, first click on the plus and set up a scene. Then click on this plus and set up display capture. Display capture basically captures whatever is happening in your screen. So OBS is going to capture your screen and stream it on Facebook. Once display capture is set up, click on file, click on settings, then just click on the option stream. From here, you want to choose Facebook and just log in into your Facebook over here. So basically it's going to give you stream key. So I'm just going to go by default and I'm going to click on show and it's going to show my stream key over here. But before that, I need to click on get stream key and I'm going to use any app from over here to get my stream key. Once I use a browser to get the stream key, basically when I use my browser, it's going to ask me to log in into my Facebook. So I need to do that. After I log in, I need to click on apply, click on OK. Then once I click on start streaming, whichever Facebook account I just connected my OBS to, it's going to start streaming on that. And basically whatever is in my screen, it's going to capture. That means I can open my Zoom and go into my meeting and it's going to capture whatever is happening in the meeting and broadcast it on Facebook. That's basically how this works. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.